What's up, guys? Will H, and today we got an unboxing and first impressions of the HOYWAV Tab R11 Pro. Big shout out to HOYWAV for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So let's go over a few of the features and details. This has an 8.7-inch HD display, 120 Hz refresh rate. It has the Unisoc octa-core processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of extended RAM. You get 256 gigabytes of storage. Now this tablet is lightweight for a rugged tablet, only weighing 582 grams. It's IP68, IP69K, and military standard water, dust, and drop resistant. It features a camp light. If you're outside camping, you're gonna get a bright light. Comes with a free pen as well. It features Google Gemini. It has face and fingerprint ID. It has a 10,150 milliamp hour battery, which features 20-watt fast charge. And it has built-in AI priority apps. That's going to be the HI, HOTI, and the HT Photo X. Now those apps are paid subscription apps, and I'm not familiar with them too much, but we're going to take a look at them. So here's the HOYWAV Tab R11 Pro. Some of the same stuff I read off right here. 8.7-inch, 120 Hz refresh rate, 10,150 milliamp hour battery. You get 8 gigabytes plus 16 gigabytes equals 24 gigabytes of RAM. The 16 is going to be extended, 256 gigabytes of storage. So that is pretty much it on the device. Do have a few more specs here. You're going to get that camera, like I said, and that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead, get into the packaging and check this out. So this is going to be just an unboxing. Going to come back and tell you what I think about it after using it about a week. That way I can get a good feel for the device and let you know what I think about it. So here is the device. Now this is, I reviewed the Tab R10 Pro last year, and this is much smaller. So you do get a free tempered glass screen protector, always great. Let's put that over to the side. Here's the actual tablet. So yeah, much smaller than the one before. We'll go over that. Here's your pen that you get here. Free pen in the box, man. Can't beat that. We're going to take a look at the pen as well. You get your charging cable, Type-C to Type-C. You get another dongle here, USB-A to USB-C. Get your wet wipe and dry wipe for your screen protector. You get a charging brick here, and also you get a micro SD card remover tool, and that is it in the box. So let's take a look at the tablet. So you guys see there's a plastic film over there letting you know about the device here. Let's go ahead and get that off. So let's go around the tablet. Here's the front of it here. It looks like there's a screen protector already on there. So that second, the other one is just a spare. You're gonna have your front-facing camera right there. Turn it on this side. Now this does, you can put a SIM card in here as well, so you can make phone calls with this. So on this side, this is where your micro SD card and your SIM card will go right there. I forgot to mention that part when I was talking about it earlier. So you got your reinforced corners right here for drop protection. On the bottom, you got a microphone there. And these are covered up for dust and debris. You got your charging port right there. Nice that to have the covers, some more reinforced corners. Over here, this is going to be your power button, volume up and down, right there. Another mic up here at the top. And then you got your camera array on the back right here. This is going to be your camping light. And You do have some HOYWAV branding right there. This is your speaker right there. Let's get this sticker off of there. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. Very compact, rugged style device here. Let's take a look at it next to the R10 Pro. And you guys can see just how much more compact this is and lighter weight as well. Both rugged tablets, but this will be more portable right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna power this up, gonna put my information in. You can see it's picking up a lot of fingerprints from I do have lotion on my hands, so let's power it up, see if it has any power. Felt it buzz. And there is the start screen. I'm gonna go ahead and put my information in and come right back. All right, guys, so I am back. I put some of my information in. I just signed into my Google account. I haven't added any apps to the device. This is what the start screen or home screen looks like. This is the wallpaper out of the box. So let's go around it. So over here, this is your Google feed, or I'm not sure what it's called, but you're gonna have your sports scores. You got your search button up there and your news feeds here. Then on your home screen, you got your search. Now this is customizable here. You got your apps that came here, social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, and then those AI apps that I told you about, the HT Photo X and the HOTI app right there. Now those are paid from subscriptions for what I understand. Got your Google stuff, Google Meet, Calendar, Play Store. Got your camera and stuff down here. Now this can you make phone calls, so you do have your phone right there. And then you got your files, Keep Note, FM radio, toolbox, sound recorder. You're going to have your camping light. Let's try that out. So you can do the SOS. I don't want to trigger someone here. Then you got that. But I'll demonstrate the light a little bit more in a dimmer place, let you guys know. So not a whole lot of bloatware here, and so far it's moving around pretty good. Let's go into the settings. You're gonna have your network, connected devices, apps, notifications, modes. Let's go to the display. You can set the timeout. Got gain space, the color and contrast. So you can adjust this, standard, warm, or cool. You can adjust it like you want. Refresh rate. Now out of the box, this came on auto. I changed it to 120. And that is pretty much that in there. You got the system. So this is running Android 16 out of the box right there. And no update available, so it's current. And let's take a look at how much storage we have here. Out of 256, it's only using 19 gigabytes. So not bad. This is just the first impressions. First look at the tablet. Does have some bezels going around there, but not bad for the price, man. So here's the pen. So it's one of these type of pens here with the little plastic thing on the end of it. Not sure what these are called, but I have tested it and it works great. You open up something here. Let's open up the Play Store. You guys get a chance to see how fast it opens. And strolling with this is very nice. So yeah, not too bad here. And this is magnetized, snaps right in place so you don't lose the cap. And this is going to be your eraser on that end. So yeah, man, so far, my first impressions of the HOYWAV Tab R11 is great. I'll come back in a week after I use it for a little while, let you know what I think about this. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.